Da 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 da. This is Scotland. That's hosted by Carlos Jr. This is Scotland right here in my clubhouse. Hi there, my name is Carlos Jr. and this is my clubhouse with lots of entertainment with you and me, Carlos Jr. I have no real beginning and I really have no end. I am not short, I am not tall, I'm really silly, you see. You might just find a wall card that could be, which shows us our event today of what silly things we'll see. My name is Carlos Jr., I'm jolly as can be. So come down to my clubhouse, it's so much fun you'll see here.
Carlos Jr.
What? Oh, there you guys are. You made it just in time for my Carlos Jr. segment.
Da 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 da.
And you came here just in time for today's wild card clip. Let's see what it is. What's today's wild card clip going to be?
Now, I wonder what Gooble's next sport is. I know. Hello, Bracy. What's Gooble's next sport? Oh, he's learning how to fly an airplane in the air sports. Airplanes? So hard to control. Oh. You'll get it, Gooble. Just pull the lever back. Gotcha. Yes, I got it. I'm getting it.
Cool. Google's flying a really cool airplane. And look, here we've got an airplane. Of course, it's my airplane.
Da 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 da.
Oh, hello there. What's your name? The name is Captain Ailey, and this here is my airplane named Aircraft 7.
Da 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 da. Aircraft 7, yes indeed.
Tell me, please, Captain Ailey, what's so cool about Aircraft 7? Here, why don't I show you, Carlos Jr.? Aircraft 7 can fly through the sky!
Da 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 da.
It can even spin round and round!
Da 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 da.
Round and round and round it goes! Round and round goes the plane! Round and round and round and round. Round and round goes the plane! Da 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 da! Well, speaking of Aircraft 7, I believe the wild card has a wild card clip about 7.
Yes, it does. Sung by Gooble. S-E-V-E and spell 7. S-E-V-E and spell 7. 7 airplanes in the sky, 7 boats are sailing by. Let's all shout hip hip hooray for number 7. S-E-V-E and spell 7. S-E-V-E and spell 7. 7 cars race on the track, 7 trucks with heavy stacks. Let's all shout hip hip hooray for number 7.
Excellent!
Da 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 da.
So, did you enjoy my amazing flying tricks, Carlos Jr.? I have! And I'll see you all next time on Carlos Jr. Bye-bye! Bye-bye, Carlos Jr. I wonder what Carlos Jr. is going to be up to next!
Da 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 da.
Do-do-do.